Hey guys, welcome back to JTV. In this video, we'll be talking about the bid, the ask, and the bid-ask spread. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, let's get right into the video on talking about the bid-ask spread. Okay, I'm going to bring up my calculator, so if y'all have a calculator, make sure you pull up your calculator because we're going to be using the calculator. So right here, we are looking at U.S. oil. So right here, you'll see the ticker symbol is USO. So that's for United States oil. So we're going to be looking at this one first. So up here at the top, you see the B. The B stands for bid. The B stands for bid. The A stands for the ask. So if you look up here, you see 41.21, and you come and compare it down here, 41.21. So if you sell it, that is the price you have to pay for it. Now on the flip side, the ask is what you have to buy it for. So always remember this so it won't be confusing to me. Bid, rid. So for me to get rid of that stock, I have to sell it. So let's do this calculation so we can see the spread on this. So if we have to buy the stock for $41.50, and then if we hit the button to sell it right away, we're going to just sell within 2 seconds of it. We have already lost 29 cents. That's just clicking the buy it and to sell it. We have already lost 29 cents off that stock. So who gets this 29 cents? The difference between these two, the market makers get it. The people who put this combination together and side it up, they get that bid-ask spread. That's how they get that, and that's how they make their money. So let's do another one. We're going to hop over here to Tesla. We see up here at the top, the B is the bid, the A is the ask. And so if we look up at the bid, it's to sell it. The A is to buy it. So if we want to buy and sell Tesla right away, how much money will we lose? So it is 793. Hold on. 793.171 minus, and I'm doing it the whole long way because I want y'all really, if you never did it, to practice it with me. So you already lose 6 cents. You lose 6 cents with doing that if you buy and sell. So it's really not a big gap when it comes to stocks. But if you're doing options, that is where the spread can get big. So let's jump into options real quick. So we're in an option change right now, and I just went to the option, and let's look at this. So if right here, you see the bid is right here. The ask is right here. We're going to buy it and we're going to sell it. You already see we just lost 20 cents. 20 cents. But let's go out until January of 2023 and you'll see how big it get. Look how big it just got. That bid-ask spread. So let's do the calculation on this option for this amount of time out. So it was 12. Let's put our dot. Minus 1180. And that is a 40 cents. So if you buy it and sell it right away because you changed your mind, you're going to lose 40 cents. And you didn't do nothing but buy and sell. So if you're going to get into a stock, or if you're going to get into an option, whatever you do, you have to calculate the bid-ask spread. And you got to know what this means because it's very important. Because if you don't, then you could already be losing money because you didn't calculate the spread within that trade. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you learned something. If you did, put it in the comments. If y'all want to see different videos, let me know what y'all want to learn next. All right.